السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. معكم الباشمهندس وليد شعبان. معنا أول تاسك من سبارك فاونديشن. سبارك فاونديشن تاسك 1 linear regression with Python Scikit layer. First step, we import important packages. Then we load our dataset from provided link and explore first 5 records from our data. Then we extract feature and targets from our data, and then we plot our data to see that our data have a positive linear correlation. That mean we can express our data linear with single linear line. We can see that next. Then we split our dataset to train and test and create our model, linear regression model, and fit our model in train data. And then we predict line that will express our data. As we can see here, our data can express to this red single line. Our slides have a question. What is the predicted score if a student study for 9.25 hours per day? And our model sees that if a student study for 9.25 hours per day, his predicted score is 92.2%. Then we evaluate our model with mean square error, and we get mean square error 30.4. Thanks for listening.